Nakajingbam hon ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA halor ka jingbam pentrai kam ka sarkar Jylla yaki mat jingdawa jongki khamtam hakabia dei ba ka jingper king yaki kali tourist ki bawan na Kiwei ki Jylla pan kamai hakane ka Jylla hakabakila penong ru da ka jingki shongkalan mongor dang hakine ki khnet singi baladap nakalyang uba Paul Lingdo umentri break mi yakatana tourism ka sarkar Jylla ulami shakmat ban kren halor kane kapmat Habakran sigilat pathai kubor haka no pai singi jongka arpo pratarik nailar araja arpusan uba Paul Lingdo ulaong bagi babun kinong wan jongok kai pathai ki wan hi daki kali ladie syakani ka Jylla bat kinom la ban penhiar no yaki hasiteng lenti bat ban kiu pat daki we ki kali daga baben rap baka sarkar ka dan pat daki we ki lat ki lenti ban pej halor kane Nolor kata ula bo Kitkhlieh belada Kiwei ki Jylla ki wan ra daki Kyndon ki ban perking ya kejing rong ki Nong Meghalaya syaka Jylla ka jongki Mano ban syem ka jing Kitkhlieh bat hatu ki Nong nya kali kamai tourist kin syem ya kejing Kitkhlieh halor kane bat ban ong bakum ka sarkar kan hab ban long pikir hab syem ya kanu ka rai
Our stand as a government and as the Department of Tourism is very clear. We would like to ensure that tourism benefits local employment to the maximum, which is why we have launched a scheme called Prime Vehicle Scheme, which is 80% funded by government of Meghalaya, and the rest, of course, is soft loans through banks. What has happened is that this year also in a matter of days, I've just had a meeting with Commissioner and Secretary Tourism. In a matter of days from today, we will reopen the portal of the Tourism Department, and this time around we're looking at an increase of about 100 more prime vehicles. These are vehicles which are top-notch. And any visitor to Meghalaya, and a lot of these have cars of their own. Now, you can't expect these people to get down somewhere and then hire another car. But what we have said is that we will at least ensure that they are taken to their places of accommodation, whether a homestay or hotel. Thereafter, they can use locally owned vehicles. That system is being worked out through this committee headed by Cyril Ding-Dong. You see, this is a growing sector. All these years, you don't hear of such demands and such issues raised by tourist taxi associations. Why? Because tourism was not happening. Tourism was minimal. Now, with the sector increasing its reach, apparently more and more people would like to reap the benefits of that sector. There's nothing wrong in that. But we also have to look at what are the possibilities of a backlash. What if the neighboring state also imposes stringent measures to curb the entry of Meghalayans into Assam? Who will bear the brunt at that point of time? And who will take responsibility? Will the taxi associations take the responsibility if Meghalayans are stopped from going to airports or railway stations or access hospitals in Guwahati? We as a government have to act very responsibly, and we expect that these associations will continue the discussions with this committee led by Cyril and come to a point of conclusion.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ika dur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia Ka nutrition bakam bhak ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.